Dogs have a long and fascinating history, beginning with their domestication thousands of years ago. Here's a brief overview. Dogs are believed to have been domesticated from wolves between 20,000 and 40,000 years ago. The exact timing and location are debated, but it's generally thought to have occurred in Eurasia. Early dogs were likely used for hunting, guarding, and herding. Their roles varied depending on human needs and environments, leading to the development of different breeds with specific traits. In ancient Egypt, dogs were revered and often depicted in art. They were associated with the goddess Anubis, who was the protector of graves. In Mesopotamia and Greece, dogs were also valued for their companionship and utility. During the medieval period, dogs continued to serve various roles, including hunting and guarding. They were also kept as pets by nobility and were featured in literature and art. In the 19th and 20th centuries, the practice of selective breeding became more formalized, leading to the development of many distinct breeds we recognize today. This period also saw the establishment of breed standards and dog shows. Today, dogs are cherished not only as pets, but also as service animals, therapy animals, and working dogs in various fields such as search and rescue, law enforcement, and assistance for individuals with disabilities. Dogs' long history with humans highlights their adaptability and deep bond with people.